everyone, this is Arushi and welcome to my channel Creations and You. This video is all about our recent launch of baby journey albums. These are very interactive albums with lots of pop-ups and milestones for the first year of the baby. The size of these albums is 8.5 by 8.5 inches, which is the standard size, and the spine is 4 inches, which indicates that the album is very heavily embellished with lots of pop-ups and folds inside. So this is the baby girl album. Let us have a look at its spine first. So the spine is interactive in itself. It goes up and down like this, and this is a hot air balloon, so it moves up and down and it looks very cute. On the cover page of the baby girl album, we have got matching flowers. These are very sturdy flowers, and cute baby animal is here. And we have done lots of layering, 3D layering we have done. It is giving a very good effect, and we have placed these baby animals also. The whole page is looking very interactive and very beautiful. We have placed this cute milk bottle as well, and as you can see, the cover page is very sturdy. The whole album in fact is very sturdy. We have got two albums, baby girl and baby boy. Both these albums are very similar from inside. The only difference is that baby girl has pinkish tone and pinkish theme, and baby boy has blue theme. The cover pages are different, but the insides are very similar. So the walkthrough will be of baby boy album. So the spine, as you can see, is again very similar. It goes up and down and interactive. On the cover we have the sentiments. The same hot air balloon is there, and the layering has been done, and super nice flowers we have used. We have done something in sprays also to give it a glitter effect, and baby bottle we have also used. So for enclosure we have used ribbon. The ribbon also says it's a boy, which is very cute in itself. So let us open the album and see what is inside. So on the first page, as we are welcoming the baby in our world, we can see there is a certificate of birth. This is for the mother to fill, and it is noted the weight and length and height of the baby, and on which city and on which date it was born. Now here comes a pop-up. This is a very cute pop-up where the baby animal is reading with the papa animal. It has got photo mats. Now all the photo mats of the entire album are of the size 3.5 by 5 inches. I have tried to make all the photos and photo mats of this same size, so that there will be no issues in getting the photos printed and using them. And you can place the first photo of the baby here when the baby is at the hospital. Coming on to the second page, again there are photo mats and photo pockets here, and a very cute baby elephant is hanging from the tree, and it says the baby is sleeping. Now on this there are two photo mats with sentiments and embellishments, cute baby embellishments. On this page there is a pocket, and these are again photo mats. The photos can be placed here, and some baby embellishments are hanging on the top. It also says smile for the first time, so you can put the image of the baby wherein the baby smiled for the first time. Coming on to the next page, now we can see that there are two photo pockets which says first month and second month. Now these photo mats can be used to do journaling as well, and very cute baby elephant is there, and the sentiment which says our tiny treasure. We have got velcro enclosure, and again this pop-up is there. You can see the photo mats popping up, looks very cute. And again one more photo mat, and photos can be placed here, and 2 photo mats are there for 1 month old and 2 month old. You can place the photo or either do journaling on it. You can write how you felt and your emotions, your feelings and your moments with the baby. Now first roll of the baby, the photos can be placed here of the first roll when the baby went out for the first time and slept all night for the first time. Let us again open it and see another pop-up. Very cute pop-up again, and there's a sentiment on top, and 2 photos can be placed on the center here and here. And that's it. Coming on to the next page, it has got first story reading by daddy, and these milestones are attached, and these can be placed anywhere. These are detachable and you can use them anywhere with the photo. 3 months milestone, 4 months milestone. Now these are again photo mats. This says 3 months old. You can place the photo here and on the back as well. You can do journaling, you can write poems as well. Coming on to the next page, again the 4 months milestone can be used anywhere, can be attached anywhere as per your choice. Now this is an aisle card, so it has got an aisle pop-up. So it stands up like this, and the photos can be placed on the blue section that is there. It looks very cute and very interactive again. Yeah, inside there is another pop-up like this, and this is used to place photos. It has got sentiments as well. Yeah, sentiments are there, and photos can be placed here and inside this also. So after placing the photos, it will look very beautiful and all the more interactive as well. Now this is one of my favorite pages because it has got a very cute pop-up again. So first let us see these cards. First word and 5 months old. These are milestones. And let us have a look at the pop-up. So the baby pops up like this on pulling the paper. Very cute and it's very free also. We have a sentiment, I love you, past the moon and the stars, and there's a baby elephant sitting on the moon, and we have used some embellishments here. So let us open this. This has got a magnetic enclosure. You can see it's all magnetic, and here we have another photo mat and milestone, so you can place the photos here. And we have got a rotational pop-up here, so it's very interactive and makes it look very beautiful. Crawled for the first time. Now 6 months old, first festival, all these are milestones that can be used anywhere. You can place photos and you can write your feelings and do journaling here. Again, coming to the next page, 7 months old, 8 months old, both can be used as photo mats and for journaling. And as we open this ladder of photos called photo ladder, and all these spaces can be used for photos and memories. This can be a perfect gift for a baby shower and for someone who is expecting, for your sister, for your sister-in-law, anyone. Now 8 months old, all these milestones are detachable. It says sat for the first time, cute as a button. magnetic enclosure again, and this pop-up comes. It has got 4 photo mats like this. It pops again, and it is so easy to close. The next page says got the first tooth. Yeah, and it has got Velcro enclosure and lots of spaces for photos. This album has got so many spaces for photos, and the first year of the journey is very special, and all the memories can be captured and treasured in this album. That's how I roll. No day like today. These are the sentiments on this page, with the cute baby boy with angel wings. And this pop-up has come again. It says 9 months and 10 months. These are all detachable. More milestones are there, like stood up with support and first solid food. These pages also has milestones like said mum for the first time, and it also says said dad for the first time, which is very cute. Now on the next page we have this shaker element, and you can shake it like this. It can be played with, even the baby can play with this. And let us open it, and inside there are photo mats and 11 months old. There is also a tag here for journaling. It says yes, I am cute, and it is attached by a magnet. Now on the last page it says first birthday, and we have got a very big envelope on the last page. This is to store all the leftover images and all the spare images of the baby. You can do lots of journaling. You can store a lot of photos in this envelope. Even the first birthday photos can be stored here. So it is like a treasure envelope, and it has got so many milestones as well, like first haircut and for the days to come. So this is it, and I really hope you liked this video and this album, and you can order this album with us. So thank you.